Conflict is an inevitable aspect of human societies, more so organizations where clash of interests, ideas, opinions keep on arising. The important thing that has to be understood is that conflict may be inevitable, but combat or fight is optional, and one should know that conflict need not necessarily enter into a fight to finish. The conflict as a process may be functional also. One definition of conflict is that it refers to a process in which one party perceives that its interests are being opposed or negatively affected by another party. Conflict is a process or a situation arising out of deliberate effort by one party to thwart the designs of the other party. There are two views of conflict. One view is that it is functional and the other view is that it is dysfunctional. However, we as organizational behavior scholars need to understand that all conflict can have functional aspects. Usually there are three types of conflicts: intra-individual, interpersonal and intergroup. Conflict has today emerged as a center point for discussion in organizational behavior subject. When the modern view was not prevalent, the belief was that all conflict is harmful and must be avoided. That led to more problems than it used to solve. Then times changed and the human relations view emerged. This view advocated the belief that conflict has a natural occurrence and was inevitable. This, however, was also not the desired view. The modern view is the interactionist view, which holds that conflict is a positive force and a necessity for a group to perform effectively. It is only through conflict that new ideas arise. There are several sources of conflicts in organizations. Some of them are differences in opinion. When two or more people come across one another, they may or may not hold similar views, and this difference in opinion may lead to a conflict. In organizations, people work in different departments and may have different goals. Sometimes the perception is that the goals of different departments are incompatible, and this may lead to a conflict. Sharing of resources is another aspect of organizational life, and scarce resources lead to conflict. Rules and regulations of organizations often create problems. Sometimes the rules are ambiguous, and it is the interpretation of these rules which leads to conflict. People in organizations depend on one another for fulfillment of tasks. This task interdependence may lead to a conflict because people may think that the other party is coming in the way of performance of his task. Usually conflicts arise largely due to communications problems. Most of the conflicts are there because people tend to misunderstand communication. So there is a communications gap, and this results in conflict. Usually we have to understand that all these problems are more perceptual than real.